Baby boy. Mangulit na ta camera. It seems like going to dark. Going to dark. Lights everywhere down there. Let's go home. Hey. Say, wait a minute. I remove this thing first. Wait, I tangle it very well. Do not bite my slipper. Wait a minute, baby boy. Oh, coba. Let's go, baby boy. Kay, it's getting darker. I don't want us to be. It's getting darker. Oh. What are you eating? Are you a goat? It's getting darker. Time check. 7 o'clock and 6 minutes in the evening. Go down, baby. Baby boy. Go down, look. Go. You're eating grass? Are you a goat? What is that? It's a grass. Grass. Sarap ba yan? Gutom ka ba? Let's go eat your dinner. Gulaya! Coba! Na. Go, Chai. Coba. Go. Hurry up, coba. Let's go. Go, Power Ranger! I know you're hungry. We're going to eat a dinner. I give you your dinner. Let's go. It's getting darker, baby boy. So scary. It's scary. I don't want to stay here in darker. Go down. We go back here tomorrow. Pag hindi ako dalhin na naman ng... Ay, nako. So ba? Be careful. Be careful, baby boy. Diba? Why? Sakit ba yung paa niya? Nakapakan man ko na ganyan. Udah? Ma? You don't know how to walk on the stairs. Let's go. Go down. Oi, be careful. Yeah, madilim na. Madilim. Diba? Oh. Go. See? It's very dark. No. We're not going back there. Go home. Kala ko napili na naman yung paa niya. Hindi para siya marunong bumaba sa stairs. Go, out. Ay, nako. Mauna pa talaga ako. Come here, Chai. Chulaila. Good boy. Wait a minute. I close it first. Tomorrow again. Let's go, baby loves.